Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Tri-City Estate Provider. Viewers, today we are going on a tour of Homeland Heights in Mohali. Viewers, in this tour I am gonna show you 4 BHK apartment which is very luxurious and one of its kind of its own in Tri-City. Viewers, this is a lobby area which is available in each and every tower in this premises. As we have entered from the main gate which is having a security arrangements. This is a reception area which you have just seen. So as the guest enters in, they have to cross by the reception area and then they can enter into any of the apartment. Viewers, there are 3 lifts available in each and every tower of the Homeland Heights. In this video we are about to show you the architectural design of the building. Dear viewers, subscribe to our channel by pressing bell icon button, and in case if you like our videos, press thumbs up icon button. Adding up to the feature of the property, it has ample parking space. It has a space available in the basement as well. Dear viewers, the total area of the project is 4.6 acres. It has 5 towers. Each tower is having 17 floors. So total units which comes out to be 276. The builder has left over 70% open area. As you can see in this video, it has swimming pool, gymnasium, arena, restaurant, bar, banquet hall and other activity area. Dear viewers, now we have come over on the floor through elevator. My dear viewers, as I've already told you, I'm going to show you a luxurious apartment. This is fully secured with electronic door system. Welcome to an ultra luxurious apartment which is 4 BHK. Please stay with us till the end of this video. I request you all. This 4 BHK residences apartment saleable area is 2409.72 square feet. This is one of the bedrooms from which we can see the outer view as well. The property comes with all electrical fitting fitted by the builder itself. We are trying to show you property from different angles. So this is the drawing dining area. Dear viewers, we have a complete range of 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 5 BHK residencies as well as penthouses in this Homeland Heights. So you can contact us for buying and selling of the property. Those viewers who are interested in leasing out their properties may contact us also. This is a modular kitchen which is fitted with the electric chimney and other important gadgets. Dear viewers, now we are entering into second bedroom. From here we can see an outside view. Each and every bedroom is having a balcony along with it. Dear viewers, all the washrooms are attached with the bedrooms. Dear viewers, this is the powder room. Dear viewers, you may able to see all the washrooms are having branded fittings of sanitary. Now we have entered the third bedroom of the property. From its window you may be able to see the lush green lawn area, and this is the fantastic view from one's bedroom. Now we are entering the place of master of the house. Viewers, this is our fourth bedroom. Dear viewers, as we have seen the layout plan of this flat and the interior and architectural design, I would request you to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, and don't forget to mention in the comment section. Dear viewers, let's move out to the main balcony area. From here we can see the swimming pool, lush green lawn area and tall tower buildings. This brown building is having a gymnasium. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Dear viewers, if you like our video, press thumbs up icon button and support us. Dear viewers, for any site visit and query, please call 98150 43215.